Appraisers and Assessors of Real Estate. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Appraisers and Assessors of Real Estate provide a value estimate on land and buildings. Work environment. Although appraisers and assessors of real estate work in offices, they frequently spend a significant part of their day visiting properties. During regular business hours, the majority of employees work full-time. How to become one? Most appraisers and assessors are required to be licensed or certified, but the requirements vary widely. Residential and commercial appraisers typically need at least a bachelor's degree to obtain certification. For assessors, most states set education and experience requirements that they must meet in order to practice. Salary. The median annual wage for appraisers and assessors of real estate is $57,010. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of appraisers and assessors of real estate is expected to expand at a rate of 3%, which is about average for all occupations. Employment opportunities should be best in areas with active real estate markets. Certification and licensure requirements. Federal law requires certification licensure is required in some states. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.